How to add GIFs and stickers in Google Slides, the latest and the easiest version. So what you have to do firstly is click on this little square right here. Then once you click on that, you have to scroll down to the third option right here where it's that GIF as stickers. You just click on that and you have a lot of options right here. You have this dog, you have this picture. So me, I'm going pro board, like it's pro board. And I just click on this, insert, I just put it over here. I'm just gonna make this smaller, a little more smaller. I could put a couple more. Insert again. You could put whatever you want. You could add two at the same time too. That's what you like. And that's how you add stickers and GIFs on Google Slides. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any help.